Something strange just changed in the sky, and NASA noticed it today. A fresh update about 3I Atlas has scientists quietly leaning forward in their chairs. This object was already unusual, but now the new data is making people ask bigger questions. Stay with me, because what you are about to hear could change how we look at space forever. 31ATLAS is not just another space rock passing by. From the start, it behaved in ways that did not fully match normal objects we track. Its speed, its path, and its timing caught attention fast. Now, NASA's latest update shows a small but important change that no one was expecting. Today's update came after new observations were added to the system. Better tracking, sharper images, and cleaner signals revealed details that were not clear before. When scientists adjusted the data, the object's movement shifted slightly. That tiny shift is what triggered the alert. This change may look small on paper, but in space science, small changes can mean big stories. A new path can suggest hidden forces, unseen interactions, or even unknown space behavior. That is why experts are watching 3I ATLAS more closely than ever before. Some researchers say the object is reacting to something as it moves through space. Others think the earlier data may have missed key details. Either way, the update tells us one thing clearly. 31ATLAS is still not fully understood. What makes this more exciting is how fast the update happened. NASA does not rush updates unless something truly stands out. This tells us the object is active, dynamic, and worth serious attention right now. Online space trackers and astronomers are already reacting. Discussions are heating up, theories are forming, and simulations are being rerun. Everyone wants to know what this fresh change really means. Is 3I Atlas changing because of heat, gravity, or something else entirely? Could it be interacting with space in a way we have never clearly seen before? These questions are not answers yet, but they are powerful enough to keep scientists watching day and night. NASA has not made dramatic claims, but the tone has shifted. More monitoring is planned, and more updates are expected soon. That alone tells us this story is far from over. So as of today, one thing is clear. 31ATLAS is still writing its story across the sky, and NASA is watching every move. And this is only the beginning of what we are about to discover. As new data continues to come in, scientists are comparing 3I Atlas with objects they have seen before. The problem is, it does not fully match the patterns of known asteroids or comets. That difference is small, but it is enough to raise eyebrows inside the scientific community. One of the biggest questions now is about its origin. The path of 3I Atlas suggests it may have come from far beyond our usual space neighborhood. Objects like this are rare, and each one carries clues about places humans have never visited. The updated measurements also show changes in brightness. That can happen when an object spins, releases gas, or reflects light differently over time. Even a slight glow change can tell scientists a lot about what the object is made of. Some experts think 3I Atlas could be reacting to the sun in a strange way. As it travels closer, heat may be causing materials on its surface to behave differently. If that is true, we may soon see more changes ahead. Others are focused on its shape and rotation. Early models suggest it may not be smooth at all. A rough or uneven surface could explain why its movement does not follow simple rules. This is why telescopes around the world are now paying attention. From ground-based systems to space observatories, eyes are turning toward this object. The goal is simple: gather as much clean data as possible before it moves farther away. Public interest is also growing fast. When NASA updates tracking data, people notice. Space fans, researchers, and even casual viewers are sharing theories and watching for every new detail. It is important to stay calm and grounded, though. Strange does not mean dangerous. So far, there is no sign that 3I ATLAS poses any threat to Earth. The mystery is scientific, not alarming. Still, moments like this remind us how much we do not know about space. Every unexpected change is a chance to learn something new about the universe and its hidden rules. With more updates expected soon, the story of 3I ATLAS is far from finished. The next data release could bring clarity, or it could deepen the mystery even more. As scientists wait for the next update, simulations are running non-stop. Computers are testing thousands of possible paths to understand what could cause these changes. Each result helps narrow down what 3I Atlas might truly be. One strong idea is that this object carries materials never studied up close before. If true, it could be a visitor from a distant star system. Objects like that are rare, and every one of them is a gift of information from deep space. The updated tracking also hints that 3I ATLAs may be releasing tiny particles. This can create a gentle push, slowly changing its path over time. It is subtle, but powerful enough to catch NASA's attention. Some scientists are now rechecking older data. They want to know if signs of this behavior were always there, hidden in noise. Sometimes discoveries are not new events, but new ways of seeing old information. What makes this moment special is the timing. Our tools are better than ever before. High-precision sensors and smart software allow us to spot changes that would have gone unnoticed years ago. This object is also helping scientists test their models. When something does not follow predictions, it forces improvements. In that way, 3I ATLAS is already changing science, even before its true nature is confirmed. NASA has made it clear that continued observation is a priority. More tracking windows are planned, and future updates could arrive quickly. Every pass across the sky adds another piece to the puzzle. The universe often speaks in quiet signals, not loud events. A small shift in motion, a soft change in light, or a subtle update in data can carry huge meaning. 3I ATLAS is one of those quiet messages. For viewers at home, this is a reminder of how alive space really is. Above us, objects are moving, changing, and surprising scientists every single day. And as we watch 3I ATLAS continue its journey, one truth remains. The universe is still full of mysteries, and today's update is proof that we are only beginning to understand what is out there.